If you've tried everything and still feel stuck, pause for a moment. You are not broken, and you are not failing. For years, many people were told that progress is just about willpower. But the truth is, your body is complex, your metabolism adapts, your hormones shift, stress plays a role, sleep plays a role. Sometimes it's not about trying harder, it's about getting the right support. Support that looks at the whole picture, support that focuses on balance, not extremes. You deserve guidance rooted in education, clarity, and long-term wellness. At Start Zion, we believe understanding your body is the first step towards sustainable change. So stop blaming yourself, start learning, start aligning, start moving forward wisely. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more educational videos as we walk through this journey together.